We guide you through how to stop Gemini from opening when you hold the power button on your Samsung phone. First, open your phone settings, then scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Next, look for Side Key and tap it. Inside the Side Key settings, you'll see the option for Press and Hold. If it's currently set to open Gemini or another assistant, simply change it to Power Off menu instead. Once you select Power Off menu, holding the power button will no longer launch Gemini and will bring back the normal power options like Power Off, Restart, and Emergency Mode. If your device show Digital Assistant app instead, tap it and choose None or switch the press and hold action to Power Off menu. After changing the settings, press and hold the power button to test it and make sure Gemini will no longer appears.